皆さんこんにちは。マランツサウンドマスターの尾形です。今日は AV セパレートについて少し話をしてみたいと思います。マランツは、近年ですね、リブランディングという活動をしていまして、デザインもですね、新しいアイディアを導入してラインナップを一新してきました。で最初にリリースしたのは2020年にハイファイカテゴリーの商品で、モデル30と SACD30N という2モデルをリリースしました。モデル30というのはインテグレーテッドアンプリファイアですね。で、SACD30N は SACD とネットワークプレイヤーの一体型プレイヤーという形になります。で、この2つのモデルはですね、新しいキャッチコピーですね、モダンミュージカルラグジュアリーというキャッチコピーで、新しく導入しまして、デザインも一新したんですけれども、この後ですね、年を追うごとにそれぞれラインナップをリプレイスしていったというような形です。で、昨年ですね、ハイファイカテゴリーの新たなフラッグシップとしてモデル10と SACD10 そしてリンク 10N ですね、この3モデルをリリースしました。この3モデルはですね、現在のバランツが理想とするサウンドを実現するために、仕掛け多分5年ぐらいをかけまして、慎重に設計してサウンドチューニングをしてようやくリリースすることができました。で、一方ですね、AV アンプのカテゴリーにおいては、最初に新しい ID を導入したのが2022年かなのシネマシリーズになります。で、翌2023年にはセパレートですね、AV10 と AMP10 という2モデルをリリースしました。マランツの AV セパレートなんですけれども、もう30年以上の歴史があります。1990年代の前半ぐらいからやり始めたんですけれども、その当時はですね、AV アンプってなんだっていう感じでしたので、導入していただけるハードルは非常に高かったんですけれども、その当時からですね、マランツはそのセパレートシステムというのを提案してきました。で、それはなぜかというとですね、もう、ハイファイオーディオですね、いわゆるステレオのハイファイオーディオというのは広く普及していましたので、そのシステムに、追加していただくのに都合が良かったというのがあります。例えばもうステレオのパワーアンプをお持ちで、スピーカーがシステムがあると、それにですね、このサラウンドシステムですね、ドルビーサラウンドと言われるような、当時は5チャンネルとか 5.1 チャンネルとかだと思うんですけれども、そういうシステムを構築するにあたって、AV プリを導入していただいて、そのプリアウトをですね、使うことによって、既存のステレオアンプとステレオスピーカーはそのままフロントチャンネルに使っていただいて、それに足すことでパワーアンプを足して、プリアンプを足してということで、サラウンドのサウンドを再生するというのを作っていただくのに都合が良かったんですね。ということで、これが非常にそのいわゆるカスタムインストーラーに、とても支持されまして、現在まで、そのラインナップが続いているというような形になります。一方で、その、デメリットというか、になるのは、システムがやっぱり大きくなって、コストも上がってしまうということがあります。で、それをカバーするのが、いわゆる一体型の AVR という形になりまして、マランツは今、5モデルですね、ラインナップしています。エントリーモデルのシネマ 70S から60、50、40、30と全部で5モデルラインナップしていまして、お客様のそのコストと予算に合わせて選んでいただけるような仕組みになっています。
Thank you for coming this session. I'm in Marantz Museum in Shirkawa Audio Works. My name is Hiroki Iihara, and I have been designing the audio circuit for the Marantz AV series. Our goal is simple, to make the Marantz brand stronger and deliver top performance. The new AV series works perfectly with our new amp and the cinema series. The AV series achieves a great sound through three major techniques. First, precision sound stage reproduction in multi-channel audio. Second, immersive sound through a powerful dynamic range. Third, a solid mechanical foundation ensuring electronic stability. First, let's talk about precision soundstage reproduction in multi-channel audio. Our full-spec DAC circuit is inherited from hi-fi using a current output topology that provides a high dynamic range and a perfectly synchronized clock management with no jitter. Our AV10 and AV20 models feature two channels, 32-bit hi-fi grade DA converters. So this is AV20's DAC board. By using two-channel chips, we reduce interference between channels, so ensuring each channel stays in its lane. All our Marantz AV models use current output DACs. This allows for flexible analog circuit designs with high signal-to-noise ratio and plenty of headroom. Supplying a clean, jitter-free clock to all DACs is key to great multi-channel system. The Marantz AV series is designed so that all DACs share a single clean master clock. The master clock is generated by a low-phase noise crystal oscillator and transmitted through a low jitter fan-out buffer. This ensures perfect synchronization of all DACs. It's like having a conductor who keeps perfect time with the orchestra. In conclusion of this part, our Marantz AV series offers the best audio performance thanks to its advanced DA converters supported by a clean master clock. These ideal DA converters set a new standard for high-end AV receivers. Let's move on to the second part of our presentation. Would like to experience truly immersive sound? Our AV receivers make this wish come true with unique analog circuit technology that has a vast dynamic range. For home cinema, it is important to have a wide dynamic range. This helps to reproduce everything from small human breaths to loud explosions as well as various nature sound. Marantz's unique HDAM technology supports this wide dynamic range. This is AV20's HDAM board. HDAM stands for Hyper Dynamic Amplifier Module. We have been making amplifiers quieter, more efficient, and more musical. Our engineers are always looking to improve music technology, just like Saul Marantz would have wanted. The innovative HDAM architecture has been used in all past AV series, but the new AV series features either the SA3 version for high precision amplification or the brushed up SA2 version. SA3 version uses many transistors, 760 in the only HDAM circuit of AV10 and 680 in the AV20. HDAM helps Marantz AVRs reduce background noise and improve the speed at which signals are amplified. This means the output is more responsive and accurate. As a result, the music sounds fresh, alive, and dynamic. The same goes for home cinema. The main purpose of an AV amp is to amplify sound to any desired level. The preamplifier block combines a monolithic variable gain amplifier with HDAM to create an ideal circuit. But with HDAM, the signal path gets bigger and picks up more noise. The new AV series has greatly shortened the analog signal path. For example, The DAC output path in the AV20 is less than 1/5 of the length compared to the AV8805A. It goes without saying that for everyone here, power supply circuits are one of the most important parts of the audio systems. The power supply is the source of sound. The AV series has a clearly spare power supply circuit compared to the integrated AV receivers. The AV series has 7 power supply voltage just for the DAC and the analog circuit, and each power supply is high quality. The power supply for the HDAM and the volume circuit are especially well designed. This is the AV20's analog power supply board. The AV series uses individual components for its power supply circuit. The design is similar to hi-fi system. This provides plenty of current to the delicate analog circuit with very low noise levels. Additionally, the AV10 and the AV20 have 2 stages of powerful lip removal to cut noise. In order to achieve excellent sound, it is also necessary to use large and heavy components. We've developed large custom capacitor for the AV series power supply. These capacitors have a large capacitance, allowing them to charge quickly and deliver high-speed, powerful sound. Now, let's move on to the final chapter of my presentation. We'll explore the solid engineering inside the Marantz AV series. The study chassis supports the core of Marantz sound, just like the chassis of sport car supports its acceleration, stopping, and maneuvering. First, the Marantz AV10 and the AV20 models use a special transformer design inside. This is the AV20's transformer. Low impedance is achieved by using OFC winding in addition to toroidal core. Transformers tend to make unweighted vibration at the AC power supply. To avoid the vibration, I place the thick non-magnetic aluminum plate directly under this heavy transformer. This construction means isolates vibration from the transformer to the chassis electrically and mechanically. Next, we have the rigid chassis construction for the mounting the heavy transformer in Marantz AV series. AV10 and the AV20 models feature a multi-layer chassis structure with an additional aluminum base plate. This multi-layer design ensures stability and minimizes their impact on the electrical circuits, providing a solid foundation for high-quality audio. Marantz AV series features advanced engineering techniques that enhance audio performance. The combination of different metals and the study construction, every detail is designed to deliver the best audio experience, ensuring suitable and reliable performance. It all started with our desire to deliver the perfect Marantz sound. This has been our inspiration from the beginning. Its concept behind our new lineup is multi-channel into high fidelity with the sound of craftsmanship. Today's introduction is just a few parts of how we improve the sound of the new AV series. We are dedicated to providing the highest quality sound through innovative thinking and hands-on efforts with the craftsmanship. To wrap things up, our new Marantz AV and amp series are designed to give an amazing home theater experience. We are confident that this product will set new standards in home theater.
Thank you for joining our session. I'm Keita Watanabe. I'm a manager of AVR hardware engineering team. I'm excited to present the latest AV separate product. I'm responsible for designing amp series. From here, I will introduce the amp series, which plays a key role in AV separate product. Unlike the cinema series, the amp series is a product that focuses cost and space on only the power amplifier block. As you know, in 2023, we released Amp 10 as Marantz flagship AV separate product along with AV10. The concept of Amp 10 was to maximize the potential of AV10. So we reflected the latest technology, quality, and attention to detail without cost limits. As a result, thanks to the support of the global sales team, the AV separate products have received a lot of good reviews and high praises. I will explain the three features of the amp series. First, uncompromising theater sound from independent high power amplifier modules. Second, pure sound derived from hi-fi amplifier technology. Finally, premium grade components and unified Marantz design for ultimate ownership satisfaction. First, uncompromising theater sound from independent high power amplifier module. All amp series have Class D amp with high output power. It supports 200 watt 8 ohm at 2-channel driven. Marantz high-end integrated AV receiver Cinema 30 output power is 140 watt. Amp series support output of more than 40%. It also supports 400 watt rated output at 4 ohm and low distortion BTL mode, and has a balanced input, so it has excellent noise immunity. Instead of purchasing standard modules from suppliers, we designed custom boards and assembled them in Shirkawa factory. This is a standard module. To improve performance and sound quality, we developed the Marantz original Class D amplifier module, and we selected the key sound tuning component like MERV register, thin film registers, large capacitors, and a lot of bus bars to create Marantz sound. The custom module design was very successful and has been inherited by Marantz amplifier technology. This module is equipped with a 2-channel amp, and the Amp 10 and Amp 20 have the same independent stereo module construction. A large capacity power supply is required to drive high output power amp with many channels. Also, since the amp input signal is sensitive to small level, a clean power supply circuit with low noise is required. Amp series is the product that focuses cost and space on only the power amplifier block. The amp series has a hybrid power supply for small signals and large currents. Regarding the high current power supply of the power amp, in order to achieve high output with many channels, the amp series has a high-speed switching power supply module with high efficiency and stable voltage. As a result, there is also a big difference in multi-channel driven. Let's take a look at the graph. It's a multi-channel output power measurement each channels. Left one is the Cinema 30, right one is the Amp 10 and Amp 20. The Cinema 30 has a Class AV amplifier and linear power supply circuit, so the output power decreases as the number of channels increases. On the other hand, the Amp 10 and Amp 20 have stable output power even at 5-channel driven. It is an ideal amplifier for 5-channel output. This is a big advantage of separate amplifier product. Second, pure sound derived from hi-fi amplifier technology. A clean power supply is required for the amp input signal circuit like a HDAM, signal selector, amp input buffer block. So we used it for many high quality parts. Amp 10 and Amp 20 have OFC winding custom toroidal transformer with aluminum case and large capacity customized capacitors and high current Schottky barrier diodes. Analog power supply reduced mutual interference by separating the power supply circuit of power amplifier. The amp series has HDAM SA2 brush-up version on all input signal. This is very important for reducing signal impedance to reduce any noise. It's used on all channels, so many low noise transistors are implemented. In addition, we don't use any signal wires and adapted non-magnetic bus bars to reduce impedance and improvement performance. Bus bars are expensive, so they are not used in integrated AVRs recently. Let's take a look at the measurement data. It's the result of the total harmonic distortion and noise at 4 ohm 5 watt. Cinema 30 is 0.004%, signal is 87 dB. It's good enough, but amp series is 0.015%, signal is 96 dB. About 8 dB improvement is better. Finally, premium grade component and unified Marantz design for ultimate ownership satisfaction. Amp series is implemented many sound quality parts such as resistors, capacitors, and screws, and feet carefully selected by Soundmaster Ogata-san. In addition, premium grade RCA and speaker terminals similar to hi-fi product. These are non-magnetic material and high rigidity. To suppress unnecessary vibration, Amp 10 and Amp 20 have copper-plated sash with thick bottom plate, 3-piece top cover, and transformer plates. The front panel is equipped with a level meter customized for Marantz. This is the symbol of the amp series. Actually, I designed Cinema 30. It's so excellent model as a premium AV receiver. However, compared to integrated AVRs, the amp series have a great advantage. I'm sure that it can offer outstanding high-quality sound and high output, reproducing Marantz musicality in any theater rooms. We hope that the expansion of the AV separate models will provide many people to enjoy a wonderful experience. That's all for my presentation. Thank you so much.